Alright, same. Changing their MR16 halogen lights into LED. The black one on my left hand is the LED, and the glass one is the MR16 halogen. From 50 watts goes down to 6 watts. So with respect to this project, Portage Bay, it's a good project because there are three businesses of this here in Seattle. So let's go again inside and check out the installation of these. Thank you. To show you around the vicinity of this place. It is a commercial businesses here in the financial district of Seattle. We are here in Westlake, or they call it Union, and here are the businesses around this area. So most corner of the building are occupied by coffee shop or what, restaurants. That is the possibility. Corners are all restaurants or coffee shops. Okay, with this they save electric. So easy and simple. Replace the halogen lamps with LED and they save about average of 90%. Thank you. This is inside the Portage Bay in Westlake, and above those are the LED lamps that was installed on the right side of the window, and hoping the next thing to replace is this clear balls on the ceiling. And also there, so this is the big coffee shop, so busy at lunch break. And those are the LED. You can see they're surrounded with and here is a good situation. In this picture frame, you can compare the regular MR16 is on the right side, and the middle is the LED. But take a look of the light intensity on the picture frame. The LED is even brighter. And the design of this restaurant is so nice and beautiful.
To satisfy me. So much to do. If I only had time, if I only had time, dreams to pursue. If I only had time, they'd be mine. I want you to tell me why you walk right on me. I'm so lonesome every day.
This is Ruben, and here is Jeff, one of the managing of this Portage Bay Cafe here in Seattle. How many Portage Bay you have?
We have 3 right now, but we intend to open a 4th one soon, probably by next year.
Wow, wonderful. Well, City Light proposed to upgrade their halogen lights, especially the MR16, and I'd like to ask a comments from Jeff. The quality of lights and probably the savings from 50 watts goes down to 6 watts that we installed.
Well, at this point, the savings, it's been a little too soon to tell exactly what it's going to be. I would tell you that the part that I'm most excited about is the concept that we won't be replacing these lights every other month.
Yeah.
I've been very frustrated in 4 years working here, and with all the lights that we have had to replace over that time, this will be a great headache saver. So, thank you, Ricky.
Thank you very much, Jeff. Ruben.
Thank you. Thank you.